This is the age of SUVs, and as a result, sedans are finding it very difficult to prove their worth. But still, there are a set of buyers who like their cars low, luxurious, and involving to drive. And that's one of the reasons why manufacturers still haven't given up on sedans. Now, me personally, I'm a sedan guy myself, and it makes me very happy that we have this stunning sedan to review and not another SUV. This is the new Skoda Superb Sportline, and we're going to tell you what it's all about. Now, even if you have a preference for SUVs, this new Skoda Superb is sure to grab your attention, especially in this new electric blue shade. This being a facelift, the changes are subtle, but enough to get noticed. The biggest change up front are those new full LED headlights which look brilliant. The all-black butterfly grille has been reworked too, and so has the front bumper, which now gets larger air dams, new LED fog lamps and a sporty lip treatment. The sides remain unchanged, barring the new design alloy wheels. At the rear, the tail lights have been reprofiled and the Skoda badge runs across the boot, and the black treatment is exclusive to the Sportline variant. Overall, Skoda's limousine still looks plenty fresh, and the facelift has added more flair to the Superb, and we particularly love it in this Sportline trim. Now, even though this is the Sportline model, this isn't the top variant. That honor still goes to the Laurent and Clement. But if you like dark sporty interiors, this cabin will definitely leave you impressed. The all-black interiors look rich and are further complemented by swaths of Alcantara. Also exclusive to the Sportline variant is the flat-bottom steering wheel, which goes well with the proceedings. You have plenty of soft-touch materials, and one can feel that this is a premium luxury car. Now, talking about the seats, this being a Superb, I think we should start with the rear bench. As you can see, it's very comfortable. The legroom is just phenomenal. There's no doubting its limousine intentions. One can spend long hours here, and for the corporate executives, it's almost like a mini boardroom, especially if you consider the LNK variant. But as a 5-seater, the Superb struggles a bit. The middle passenger gets a hard backrest, and the high center tunnel will make it uncomfortable for longer distances. But what that also means is that 4 comfortable passengers get an insane 625 liters of luggage space. Now, this being a Sportline variant, once the rich dad is done being chauffeured around, the young son would definitely like to take it around town. So let's check out the front seats. The sporty seats are very comfortable and offer plenty of support. And being 12-way electrically adjustable means one can find a comfortable driving position in no time at all. Also exclusive to the Sportline are the digital dials, which look fantastic. It's loaded on the equipment front too. You get as many as 8 airbags, keyless entry, 3-zone climate control, adjustable ambient lighting, sunroof, power tailgate and more. The 8-inch infotainment system has all the connectivity options one needs and looks and feels extremely crisp. What's missing here is the 360-degree camera and the tire pressure monitoring system, which you will find in the LNK version. Also, no connected car tech on the Superb yet. The Sportline also misses out on the heated and ventilated seats, and strangely, the drive modes too. Now, the changes also includes a new 2-liter petrol engine up front, which replaces the earlier 1.8. Now, apart from the increase in displacement, it also gets a raft of technical updates to improve performance. Now, that engine is mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox, and that is the sole gearbox option. The 2-liter TSI now makes 190 bhp and 320 Newton meters of torque, which is 10 bhp and an impressive 70 Newton meters jump from the previous engine. Trundling at city speeds, the engine feels very refined. The DSG gearbox is calibrated wonderfully well, and the Superb responds very well even to light throttle responses, which helps to overtake that annoying rickshaw or truck. Out on the highways, that responsive throttle feels even more joyous. Bury that throttle and the Superb happily complies like a punch from a velvet glove. Keep it buried and the tacho swings cleanly all the way to 6000 RPM with a soundtrack to match. As expected, cruising at triple-digit speeds is an effortless affair, and the Superb makes for a very effective barnstormer. Now coming to the ride and handling, it's pretty apparent that the Superb is set up to haul passengers comfortably. The soft suspension setup means the city irregularities are handled with aplomb. Yes, one does have to be a little wary of monster speed breakers, but other than that, the Superb has no clearance issues. The soft setup means the Superb cannot really stitch corners like in Octavia, and there is some body roll along with some movement. The Superb is not meant to carve corners anyways, but keep the enthusiasm in check, and the Superb masks its limousine dimensions very well. The Skoda Superb Sportline retails for 29.99 lakhs ex-showroom, and for that money you can get a Toyota Fortuner or even the Ford Endeavour. Now while both of those may be more car for the money, they can never match this sedan's suave styling, that luxury feel, or even that performance. Now a sedan versus an SUV in our country is a no contest. But if you're in the market specifically for a sedan and don't want to compromise on performance, space, luxury or practicality, this car here is a superb choice.